Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this shape in seconds. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So my sister wanted me to make her something that will just make her look curvy when she wears this outfit, and so I decided to make her a hip pad. Actually, there's a video shared with you last year on how to make her a hip pad. It's basically just the same DIY. So the first step I'm going to do is to measure the length of her hips. And actually guys, this technique of making hip pads is used by most of the tailors. Like on most of these gowns that you see on Instagram, they have actually padded, and also some of the Ankara outfits that you see, not all of them but most of them are padded, just to give you that, that hourglass shape figure. So I'll put a detailed video for my previous DIY in the description box down below on how to measure on all of this, the one I'm doing right now, because the previous video was like really detailed. So her hip size is 8, like length of her hips is 8, and then also the width, like from the front part of her thighs to almost like around the butt, is also 8. I'm going to use this foam sheet that I used on my previous DIY. I bought it at $3. You can get it from Amazon at $5 to $8. So you can use a foam that is either thick, however big you want it to be, but don't use a foam that is too big, because you also don't want your hips to look like they're exaggerated. I'm going to cut 8 centimeters because the length of her hip is 8, and then of course I'll cut it again into half because there are 2 hips. So yeah, you need 2 hip pads. So once you have the 2 forms of the same shape, you're going to draw this pattern like this and then cut it. So there are different shapes of this hip pad. You can cut the one that you prefer, but I prefer this shape because it's actually the easiest to cut. So just make sure the size of the pads are the same, because you don't want your hips to have different shapes. So basically this is what most of the tailors do. They cut this shape and then they stitch them on the gowns or the Ankara outfits. Go ahead and trim the edge of the forms because you want it to like blend with your thighs. You don't want it to like look like there's a bump on your thighs. So this is her before But as you can see, she looks okay. It doesn't look like, okay, she has something going on, like she has some hips, but then she just wanted something that will make her look like more curvy and just give her that shape, extra shape. So this is how it looks in this shapewear. There's no difference between what I've created right now and this, like this shapewear that they sell, or this hip booster that they sell online. Like there's no difference, it's just the same. So if you can wear this shapewear that they sell, you can as well just like do this as well. Guys, this is the after. As you can see, it's not like, it doesn't look like it's exaggerated, it just looks perfect. But this will look good for like an Instagram pic, like for a red carpet, for a photo shoot. So guys, remember this hip pad and or shapewear, this is not something that you're supposed to wear all the time. This is something that you just wear once in a while, and then you take them off, your shape goes back to how it was before. So like, don't put so much pressure yourself, but if you look good and feel good, just wear it and take a pic and just like have fun with yourself. And then another thing, guys, as I've been telling you on my previous videos, shapewears and corsets and videos, like it's good to pair them with multicolored outfits, because as you can see in this dress, it really shows like someone can say that you've worn something in this outfit. So when you pair them with multicolored outfits, no one is going to tell that you've worn like a shapewear, butt booster, like a hip pad, like no one is going to tell. But when you pair them with these plain colored outfits, someone can tell that, something is wrong. And then also, like something like a gown, because it's lace, so no one is going to see it. Like in outfit that have laces, no one is even going to tell that, this outfit is padded. So this is a clip from my previous video, me trying this pad, and as you can see, it looks so perfect. Like no one can tell that I have a hip pad. Like it looks so perfect. And also I was pairing them with multicolored outfits so that no one could notice that I've worn a hip pad. So guys, you can watch my next video on how to make a bab booster. I'll put a link in the description box down below as well. So this is just a clip from that video. You can check the description box for a detailed video. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.